Hey guys, Katrina's Toys here with this 2000 Leapfrog Leaps Phonics Pond.
Let's play. Press a letter to hear its name. A. I. Z. Let's play. Can you find the letter U? U. Great job. Can you find the letter W? W. Wow! Can you find the letter D? D. You did it! Let's learn the sounds that letters make. Press any letter to hear its sound. B says B. E says E and E. N says N. U says U and Let's play. Can you find the letter that says Z as in zip? Z says Z as in zip. Awesome! Can you find the letter that says K as in kid? K says K as in kid. Great job! Can you find the letter that says K as in cat? C says K as in cat. Wow! Let's spell. Make the word cat by pressing the letters C, A, T. C. You did it! A. Awesome! T. Cat. Great job! Let's play. Press 3 letters to make your own word. B. E. D. Bed. Wow! Let's play. Press a letter to play music.
Well guys, thanks for watching my video, and stay tuned for a lot more Leapfrog toys right here at Katrina's Toy Channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye for now.